see what is QGIS. QGIS, formerly known as Quantum GIS, is a free and open source geographic information system software. It is used to create, edit, visualize, analyze, and publish geospatial information on Windows, Mac, Linux, and other platforms. It has a layer support, works with raster and vector data, shapefile, GeoTIFFs, PostGIS. You can analyze the data by performing spatial analysis, map algebra, and geoprocessing. You can also create maps, design a detailed and publish high quality maps. Plugins are the extra gifts in the QGIS with extended functionality with a wide variety of plugins, mainly written in Python script. It supports many file formats and integrates with other GIS software like GraphGIS and Saga. QGIS is widely used by urban planners, environmental scientists, researchers, students, and GIS professionals. So let us see how to download and install QGIS latest version. If you are looking how to download QGIS software for your Windows or for a Mac, let me show you how to do that. So open a tab and just type in QGIS software. Now hit enter to search for it, and you can see the first link, qgis.org. This is the official website. You can click on this. So if you want to download the software, you can click here. If you don't find the download option here, you can directly go to the top where you can find the download option. And if you're looking to download it for Windows, you can see here from top you can find offline standalone installers. You can install the latest version of QGIS for Windows 64-bit. Just click on download. Click here. The download will be starting. You can see here, you can check the feedback, that is download status at the top. So let us wait for it to be downloaded. We just go back and once again go to download options. And if you are interested for downloading it for Linux, just come down after the offline standalone installer. You can find it for Linux, Mac, and BSD. So if you click on Linux, you can download it based on the OS, Linux OS. And for Mac, come down, you can see Mac OS, both the long-term and the regular version of Mac OS. You can download, click on download it. So let me check in the progress. Based on your internet speed, the time might be coming short or long. Now it has been downloaded for me. So let us go to this folder. So now you can see this is the downloaded QGIS software 3.42.2. So right click and you can find install option, or you can double click and start installing. So you can see the QGIS setup wizard. Now in order to begin the installation, click on next, and we have to accept the terms and conditions, and once again next. So the program will be installed to this location of your C drive. If you want to change, you can change it, otherwise you can leave it default. Next, and finally click on install. So here you can find the installation status. Let us wait for the installation to be completed. Once the installation has been completed, click on finish. So after installation, you can go to the option start menu, and here you can find QGIS desktop. You can directly click and run this, or you can directly search for QGIS. You will be getting up the result. So you can see here QGIS 3.42, the latest version. So as you can see here, we have successfully installed QGIS. If you have any other doubts on installing QGIS, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.